Brad Williams, Excel primed. We're going to use filter and transpose. Here, it's very simple. We're going to have our criteria right here in the yellow. We're going to have our data across these columns, and then we're going to convert them over into rows. And all we're going to do is transpose, filter, C4, our array. We have our array and our include, our criteria. What is it? Notice there's no name ranges here. We're going to highlight this entire list here, and then we're going to define this by equals F9. And then all we're going to do is wrap this thing inside of a transpose. We're going to take it from horizontal to vertical. That's it. Very simple. Over here on your right, you can tear this thing apart. Here's my write-up. You can read it if you need it. Here is the anatomy. Here is the formula. Here's the first output. And then if you want to go in here and dissect this thing, you should be able to do that by now. Just hit this and hit F9, and you're going to find all kinds of weird things in here. You're going to find this array. There's our sorts or points, and then brown. Transpose just takes this and spits this out. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.